Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do a masterclass on SQL joins. This is probably one of the most confusing topics or most talked about topic in the SQL. So let's get started. So we'll get started, and this is the create table and the insert statement. We are creating two tables, table A and table B, and then we'll see the different types of joins such as inner, left, right, full and outer join. So if you see the table, table A has 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and table B has 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 6. So first we'll start with inner join. So what is inner join? Inner join basically means get me the matching records from both the tables. So I have a visual representation of it. So let's see. So these are the two tables in question, table A and table B. So when we do inner join, we get the matching record. So this one will go and match with 1 in the table B. So I have written 1 into 1. The table A2, it has two 2s, so it will match with the single 2 present in table B. So it will be 2 into 1. Then this 3 will match with 3. So we have 1 into 1. 4 doesn't have any common 4 doesn't have corresponding 4 in table B, so it will not match. And then this 5 will match with the two 5s present in table B, so 1 into 2. And if you add up these two, you have 6 rows. And if we see here also, we have 6 rows similar to what we expected. So 1 is 1 time, 2 becomes 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 3 is once, and then 5 becomes. So 6 rows in inner join. So next up we have left join. Left join, basically your left table becomes the driving table. And now let's see what is the output of left join. So left join, we are joining table A with table B. So first we'll get the matching records in both the tables, which is this. One will match with 1, this 2 will match with 2, this 2 will match with 2. Then this 3 will match with 3, and this 5 will match with both the 5s. So you have these. The one extra record that you see is because of 4. So 4 is present in table A, but it is not present in table B. So that's why it will come in the output of left join. And here you can see 4 is actually with in the output, and the corresponding value is null because it didn't find any matching record there. So next up we have right join. So the driving table becomes the right table, which is in our case the table B. So if you see right join, we'll first get the matching records. So 1 matches with 1, then this 2 matches with both the 2s, then this 3 matches with 1 3, and then this 2 5s matches with the single 5. This is here. And then you have a non-matching row, which is 6. 6 doesn't have a matching row, so it gets the null. So the output is total 7 records. You can see here also. And the final join is full outer join. So in full outer join is basically your inner join plus left join plus right join. So if you see in the full join, we'll first do the inner join first. So 1 into 1, then 2 times into 1, and then 3 times into 1, and then 5 is into 2 times. And then we have from the left table 4, which is a non-matching record, and from the right table 6, which is the non-matching record, and you can see here the output. So it's the combination of inner, right, and left join. Now in the phase 2, I have inserted some null values in the table. So table A has one null value and table B has one null values. So let's see what results we get in the inner join. So inner join basically remains the same as in the previous case. This one will match with this one. These two will match with this two. So 2 into 1. This 3 will match with the single 3 present here. So 1 into 1. And then this 5 matches with this 5. So we have 6 rows in the output, as you can see here. The next is the left join. So in left join, if you see, we'll get the matching rows first, which is just same as the inner join, and then non-matching records from the left table. So 4 is a non-matching record. So 4 has is in the output with null from the table B. And then there's an output null. This null is basically, since you already have a value null in the left table, it gets the corresponding null from the right table. It is not matching. So two nulls are not comparable. Since it doesn't have any value in the table B, it writes null in the output. Next up, we have the right join. In the right join, it's similar to the left join, but this time the driving table is the right table. So 6 will come in the output because 6 is from the right table with the corresponding value of null and then one value of null. So here you can see the total number of rows will be 8 in case of right join. Now the last one is the full outer join. And if you look at the output, you basically get 10 rows now. So why 10 rows? Because full outer join is the combination of all the joins, basically inner, left, and right join. So now if you see for the left join, for the inner join, it has 1 matching with 1, 2's matching with 2, 3 matching with 3, and 5's matching with 5, same as the inner join. And now from the left table, 4 will come because it's a record present in the left table, and with that will come null value, which is this one. And from the right table, with the right join, it will come 6 and the null value. And then we have two nulls basically, one from the table A, which corresponds to null, and then it prints the value for null from table B, and then from the right table, null. So in total we have 10 rows. So here I've explained it beautifully, how you can see the different number of rows that are generated in case of null, and in this way you can see how it is generated when there are duplicated records. Write down in the comments below what will be the output if it is a cross join. I'll check in the comments. Like and subscribe for these kind of videos. I'll put the create table and the different queries in the comment box. Thank you.